talked about this once. Tell me this guy isn't going to go over here. I don't even think that guy works here. He's just riding around on a mower. Anyway, the point that you're trying to get to now is that we can get the dog to down with the collar. Once we can do that, we can start doing the off-leash, because we're going to have this dog off-leash by the end of the week. Down. I've been sick all weekend. I was just guzzling down this cold medicine. Victoria's convinced I'm loopy out of my mind on cold medicine. Anyway, so I do have my soundbox collar on. I've got my box on the back of the neck. What I'm working on, I'm still working on my healing, but I'm working on being able to use the collar to get the dog to go down. We have got to get to that point. Not that he's going to do it just because he wants to or whatever. If you guys remember, he was a terrible jumper. Koda. Oh, he is such a cute little guy. Good, good, heel, good. These are itchers. Good, good. Heel. Toe. Good, so I'm going to use my neck down. Ooh. Wonder, wonder, wonder. Wonder, wonder, wonder. See, he's not losing any attitude at all, though. Got the perfect little angle of the head. Heel. Heel. Down. Wonderful. Good, 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 good. The reason I praise him because he was starting to do it. And that really actually, you saw what happened there was that caused him to continue on and do it. Would have said no right there. Oh, he's a defiant little thing. He might have had the opposite reaction. All right, let's just go again. I've looked at my nick set on about 50, but for these dogs, they're not that sensitive. Good. So I'm going to start my pager slightly before. I'm going to stretch the name out. Koda. One of the best. Good. Down. Oh, good Lord, no, no. Down. Good. Might have to give him Benadryl before we take him out next time. Good. So what happened though is even going on the hip. Good boy. Might be better if the collar is underneath. Let's try that. If the collar is underneath his neck, he might not do it as well. Let's just try it. Koda. Good. Heel. Letting him know before I do that turn. I don't want to just turn real quickly and say heel. Down. Oh, he is a wonderful, wonderful dog. And again, we have to pick our battles. This guy is just screaming at the top of his lungs over here. We have to pick our battles. He's not doing it real fast, but he's doing it. So I'm not going to make a big issue out of it. We have to do things in stages. Good, good. Oh, and he is such a cute... Let's try to get some photos of him, too, for the Fest family, one of our favorite families. All right, so same thing. Koda. Oh, he is a little living doll. More updates soon.